Hello everyone, welcome to Wonders LED Lighting World. My channel is mainly talk about LED lighting and how to find a good supplier in China. Today in this video, I would like to show you an rotatable anti-glare design LED spotlight. Before I introduce this LED spotlight, I would like to show you what is anti-glare design. Normally, our human beings' sight range straightforward is about 30 degree, and under 16 degree, 60 degree. Within this group, dazzling light we call glare. So anti-glare means low dazzling light within this group. LED anti-glare downlight from us would be controlled. The cut range is above 16 degrees, so we cannot see the dazzling light. So this anti-glare design will be controlled from the lighting design. Please look at this spotlight. The COB chips is inside, you can see here. And outside is a reflector. This is PC lens. This rotatable LED spotlight can help you change the direction of illumination. And here is the springs. Please do not ignore these tiny accessories LED spring, because if the spring is not strong, they cannot fix the LED downlight very well. And the backside material is aluminum, 6063 aluminum. Same with aviation aluminum. This is the best material for heating dissipation. Here is the connector. It's easy to connect with drivers and save your labor cost. Here, plug in and click here and put it out. Let's try what kind of effect when it works. Please look at the light effect. The light is very soft. It has a central point. And outside the light is very average. Mostly hotel and restaurant decoration, customer would like this LED anti-glare design LED downlight.